Welcome back. Our good friends over at Ellis Fab sent us one of these tailgate savers, and we're going to get this installed. I'm going to show you guys how. First of all, you need to get the tail light removed. Take out your tail light bucket. Tailgate bucket removed. Now from your bottom bolt hole, mark 3 inches down and mark the center. And then mark the center in between here. For me, the center was 1 inch. Drill a 5/16 hole right where you marked it. Now take your bowl and plate and then mark your lower hole and drill that to 5/16. Get some blue Loctite and get your hex head bolt. Halfway done, let's do the tailgate side. One thing you have to do is you have to do some trimming right here. However you prefer to do it, but you got to trim back 1.25 inches. Now that you have the tailgate trimmed, mark 1 1/8 out from the trunnion and then the center of this plate. And then drill your hole for the nutsert. So this nutsert actually comes with the kit. So all you do is drill your hole big enough, put the nutsert in here, hold this nut while turning this with an Allen key. Just till it's snug, don't overdo it. And then back it out. Take some blue Loctite. Snug it down. There we go. Very simple install. Took me about half an hour, and most of that was filming that for you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Peace.